Good day, my viewers. My name is Okoriwu Mwabeze. In today's video, I will explain another way of solving algebraic words questions. It amazes me that a good number of students don't understand the difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. So most times when they are sending you a message, help me do this, help me treat that, you find out that they are, they interchange strong terms. So in this video, I will explain the difference between algebraic equations and algebraic expression. Thereafter, I will go on to explain another method of handling words, algebraic words questions. Now here we go. Let's say you are given, you have 2x plus 3. And you have 2x equal to 3. So one is an equation, the other one is an expression. Algebraic equation is the one that contains equality sign. Algebraic expression does not contain equality sign. So this is just the difference between an expression and an equation. An expression does not contain equality sign. So when looking at the equation on the board, you will find out that the equation is nothing but an algebraic expression. You cannot call this an algebraic equation because this question does not contain equality words sign. If you are given this question to handle, the way you approach algebraic equation is quite different from the way you approach algebraic expression. Now, if we are to handle this, we just write solution, bring down the question. We have 3x plus 6y plus 2x plus 5y. Now, when you have this, when you look at this question, it's not organized at all. What makes it not to be organized is, look at x here. In between x, we have y. And after y, we have x. So how do we make sure that after seeing x, the next thing we see is another x instead of this 6y? To ensure that is why you will see most of the times on your textbooks, you see this term, collect like terms. When it's being used, the instruction means that we want to do what? Arrange the given word equation or the given expression. So here what we are doing is arrange the given word expression. So how do we arrange it? You first of all write 3x, then we'll go on to look for another x. The next x here is plus 2x. After writing plus 2x, we'll come down, we'll check another x. Unfortunately, there is no other x. What we're supposed to do next is to go for another word term. The next term here is plus 6y. We'll write plus 6y. We'll look for another y. The next y here is plus 5y. When we must have done this, we need to know the total number of x. We need to know the total number of y. So most students, when they come here, they become what? Confused. Okay, look at another approach that you can use if you have problem, advancing towards this word part. Now, what you're going to do is you cover the x. When you block this x, automatically what we see is 3. When you block this x here, we see plus 2. We put brackets, but we know that x is there. We return the x back. I repeat, I blocked this x. If I blocked it, I will only see 3. I brought the 3 down. I blocked the x here. When I block it, I only see plus 2. I brought plus 2 down. When I must have done that, I put both 3 and plus 2 inside bracket and take x outside the bracket. I've taken x outside the bracket because I'm aware that this from here to here contains x. So what we need to do is, we'll come here and block. When we block y here, what we see is plus 6. We'll do the same thing, we'll block y here. When we block it, we see plus 5. So these numbers, we'll put them inside brackets. But we know that y is here. What we have to do is to put y outside the brackets. Then we'll have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. After writing 5, you ask yourself, what gave you this 5? It is x. You return your x. Then we'll have plus 6 plus 5. Plus 6 plus 5 will give you plus 11. We'll write plus 11. What gave you plus 11? Y. So obviously this is the answer. So this is another example. We just brought down the given question after writing solution. So when you check here, we see m here, we see m here. Between two m's, we have plus n, plus 2n. So this plus 2n has already, disorganized the words, the given word expression. So now to arrange it, we have to write collateral items. So we have written collateral items. You have to find out, supposing this is well arranged, there won't be any need for collecting of items. So the essence of collateral items is to do what? Organize the given words, equation or the expression. Now, we write for m, we look for under m, we'll have plus 6n, plus 6m. We look for another m, there is no other m. So the next variable here, or the next alphabet is plus 2n. After plus 2n, we look for another n, the next n here is plus 13n. So we have succeeded in arranging what the given words question. So the next we could do is to find the total number of what m, and also find the total number of n. To do this, we have to pretend as if m is not here. We pretend by blocking m. If we block m here, we see 4. If we come here and block m, we see plus 6. So all we need to do, put this 4 and plus 6 inside brackets. But we know that m is here, so we need to put m immediately after the brackets. We repeat the same process here. When we pretend as if n is not here, that means we have to block n here. If we block n, we'll see plus 2. If we go on to block n here, all we see is plus 13. We write down plus 13, we put brackets, and put our n immediately after the bracket, because we know that n is within this range. So we'll go back. 4 plus 6 will give us what? 10. What gave you 10? M. Plus 2 plus 13 will give us plus 15. What gave you plus 15? M. So this is the answer. Obviously, this is what the answer.